In front of me is OnePlus Ace 5 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can change sleep time to never. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Caffeine. Keep screen on. When it's ready, launch it. Then hit OK in Welcome pop-up. Tap on Timeout and make sure Infinite is on. Then go into Tab menu. Edit it thanks to this pen at the bottom left corner and look for Caffeine shortcuts in your unused ones. When you find it, hold it, drag it to your current menu and place it wherever you want to. Let go. Hit Done at the top right corner and click on your shortcut to activate it. As you can see, mine is blue, which means that Infinite Sleep Time is on. To turn it off, tap on the same shortcut until it's grey. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!